Hey everyone, Caesar here. I just took a delivery from FedEx. I have no idea what this is, so let's open it up and find out. Hey, it's from SD Billion. Oh, cool. Fantastic. This is an empty tube. Gotta put in a complaint with SD Bullion. No, just kidding. I purchased this, I think it was like $1.50 maybe. This is part of my plan for this year to try to get as close to 1,000 ounces of American Silver Eagles. And so I have quite a few of them just floating around right now. And I want to start storing them in these US Mint tubes. Whenever I have a little bit of money at the end of the week, I do just dump it into silver and gold, because what's the point of just leaving it in the bank? All right. This is amazing. Okay. This is the new Era 8 or 8th Era first Eagle Privy release. Okay, this is the one with the Eagle Privy mark right there. We got this little pointer on the knife right there. That's brilliant. I love that. So we have this I remember I got the first one. It's a 70. It's graded 70. This is MS69. Because I am not a millionaire, I could not afford the MS70 that was listed. I think this one, if I remember correctly, is there a receipt version? I think I can just look through. See how much I paid. This one was $69. So yes, it's like double the price of what a normal American Eagle would be, but I do have the original release from 2024, and it's an MS70. The MS70 for this one was close to $400, and as much as I love the series, and I actually do play the game quite often, I was not going to pay $400 for this, because I am a believer of buying the silver, not the packaging. And so I paid a little bit of extra for this slab because I want it as part of the collection, but $400 was just way too much for me. This is amazing. I love this. Hopefully 8th Era, the Nice Gang, and the US Mint continue this. I kind of like these little gimmicky privy marks that they're doing on the American Eagles. And then this one, oh, perfect. So this is just an addition to my stack of American Eagles. So here we have 4 more. Is it 4 more? It is 4 more. Perfect. So these will be the new 4 that I add to this empty tube that I just got. So I'll have to start collecting all of the ones that I have lying around. They're all in like shoe boxes and like plastic shoe boxes. So I think it's time to start putting the stack together. So these are all 2025 American Eagles. This is great. I love this. All right. Well, I think at a certain point, I'm going to have to actually do a stack reveal and just show how much I have. 1, so I can just like show it, but 2, for my own sake, to see how far I've come in the past couple of months, just starting to stack a few of these a week every time I get a chance. I just put an order in, and I usually do it by looking through either SD Bullion's website, AppMex, JM Bullion, Hero Bullion, Bullion Exchanges. There's so many websites, but I do it because each of these, they're usually like $1 or $2 over spot, and depending on the website, you know, they might have a deal going on. So I tend not to buy from the same sites consistently because I'm trying to get the best bang for my buck. And the sad thing is my local coin shop is always out. They literally, like, they'll get them in and then like that day or the day after they're sold out. So I don't know. I'm really happy about these. I will continue to purchase as much as I can. This one I'm super excited about. I'll have to go get the other one and maybe start getting a little collection of slabbed American Eagles going. We'll see. All right. I hope your day's going well and catch you guys in the next video. Bye.